Sri Jagannath Rath Yatra by JCEC at Niles, Fremont in California, USA. On July 11, Jagannath Cultural and Educational Center JCEC along with the California Indian Odia community of the San Francisco Bay Area celebrated the auspicious Sri Jagannath Parivar Rath Yatra at the Niles Fremont Temple in California. For JCEC, it was their first Rath Yatra and over 500 devotees attended the in-person festivity which was in an outdoor setting. The occasion started with the reverbs of mystical chanting of Vedic mantras of the ritual by the temple priest Viswamji, followed by the Kirtan of ISKCON group captivating the mood of the atmosphere. In the Rath Yatra, the deities Sri Jagannath, Balabhadra and Ma Subhadra with Sudarshana step out on the chariot journey to visit their aunt's house. The JCEC Rath Yatra had also a majestic display of Odia cultural festivities with the Odissi dance, music, painting, miniature Rath models and devotional Sangeet, Seva Mahotsava with local Indian artists. The Indian witnessed a vibrant and energetic celebration of Odisha's culture with devotional renditions and Odissi dance, which is an integral part of Jagannath culture for over thousands of years. Performing Odissi dance in front of the Rath is an example of limitless devotion. The JCEC volunteers made a Rath of 24 feet tall following the traditional architecture's symbols and was decorated with unique and intricate pieces of Pattachitra artworks made by local artists. Those decorations and artistic work in the Rath was one of the most talked topics by the devotees and the guests. The event was aptly organized by the JCEC Volunteers, a 501c non-profit registered public charity in USA as their first mega event. The objective of JCEC is to act as a cultural hub for both the Indian Odia as well as the larger Indian America community diaspora of the San Francisco Bay Area. It is spearheading to establish our Odia identity. JCEC has a vision to promote cultural and spiritual well-being among current and future generations, and it will be a legacy in fulfilling a long-standing dream for many first-generation immigrants for our descendants to connect to their roots. This Rath Yatra event was the conclusion of the series of Sri Jagannath mega festivities. It was in continuation from the Sri Jagannath Parivar Prana Pratishtha of Chaturdha Murti held on June 20th, which was a 4 days long ceremony at 37270 Niles, BLVD, Fremont, California. Hundreds of people from throughout the San Francisco Bay Area came under the same roof to the event, which is the first in-person gathering after COVID pandemic reopening. It was followed by Devasnana Purnima on June 23rd with deities taking bath with 108 kalash of scented water and put in Anasara. Lord Jagannath, the universal God as meant in Sanskrit, worshipped and originating in Purushottama Kshetra, Puri, has spread all around the globe. In USA, the first Thapana of Lord Jagannath Murti was in 1992 at the Sri Ganesh Temple and Hindu Cultural Center, Nashville, Tennessee. Since then, the consecration of the Lord Jagannath Murti has taken place in more than 10 temples across. True to its vision of JCEC, it provided a huge platform to many artists, budding talents of Odissi, Bharatnatyam, Kathak from the local dance and music schools who are spearheading in promoting Indian culture and presented a spectacular medley of pure dance forms and storytelling through their dances. We are honored and privileged to have many guests who graced the series of occasion and making us proud. The list include many elected officials such as Miss Lily May, Mayor of Fremont, Dr. Raj Salwan, Council Member of City of Fremont, Miss Aisha Wahab, Council Member of City of Hayward, Consulate General of India at San Francisco represented by Deputy CG Rajesh Naik, Mahesh Patel, the President of Gujarat Cultural Association, are few notables, hearing their wisdom of acknowledging the strong Indian cultural values and how beneficial it is for the future of America, and their active support in promoting our rich culture heritage is very inspiring and touching. JCEC is designed as a vibrant institution to showcase the unique Jagannath culture of Odisha to the world, including its myriad Odia arts and crafts, sculptures, intricate paintings and architectural marvels. The JCEC as a cultural center will also doubt as a support system for philanthropic and charitable activities in the local community and beyond. By facilitating fundraising events, foods, and clothing drives for Bay Area shelters and providing hot lunch to devotees and underprivileged children in the Bay Area, it will work to reach out to those in need. At JCEC, we hope to encourage volunteers to come in and impart their skills and lessons to the younger generation and other adults from meditation to medicine. Using yoga sessions, Sanskrit camps, and cultural gatherings, JCEC can turn into a multi purpose organization providing spiritual care, library facilities, and more. Now, the JCEC movement has become stronger and serves the entire Odia community with its vision to work for the eternally special cause of having a Jagannath place come cultural center at San Francisco Bay Area. We were fortunate to have the support of senior Odia community members which helped JCEC what it is today. JCEC is led by a core team of dedicated and driven volunteers and working hard to fulfill the aspirations of the community with the motto of transparency and democratic values. Finally, as a conduit for the next generation to learn and retain our culture and traditions, JCEC will fill in the spiritual void in the community. At the Rath Yatra being the first mega celebration after COVID, there were so many smiles on people's face that JCEC has already started fulfilling its role. We hope that for many years onward, JCEC will serve as a cornerstone of the community. Report by Padmaja Das, The Common Times.